Over 10,000 Albertans have been affected by the province's close to 80 active wildfires. In light of these dangerous fires, the town of Drayton Valley, Brazeau County, Entwistle in Parkland County, the Cold Lake First Nation, Lac Ste. and County, and Fox Lake have all been issued mandatory evacuation orders. As of Thursday night, 20 homes, the police station, and the northern store have been lost in Fox Lake alone. With parts of Alberta under fire ban, the government has declared March 1st as the start of wildfire season. Canadians are encouraged to follow the advice of local officials in affected areas as the federal government stands by to support Alberta.